Hello everyone, we are from True Maths and in this video we are going to solve question number 5th of exercise 13.1 and the question says a cubical block of side 7 cm is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have, and you have to find the surface area of this complete solid. Now it is given that you have a cube of side 7 cm, means the edge of this cube is 7 cm, and because a cube has all three its dimensions as equal, means its length, breadth and height are equal, means the length, breadth, height will be equal to 7 cm here. So this will be 7 cm, this breadth will be again 7 cm, and this height again will be equal to 7 centimeters. Okay, and it is given that this cube is surmounted by a hemisphere, means on the top of this cube a hemisphere is placed, and the hemisphere must look like this. Okay, first of all you have to find the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have, and in the second case you have to find the total surface area of this solid figure. Now if I see this face of this cube, this face will look like this. If I see from the top, this face will look like this, and on this, if you have to place a hemisphere on this face, the greatest diameter this hemisphere can have will be equals to have the greatest diameter. What we need to do is we must place this hemisphere so that it must touch all four sides of this square face. Now because this will be the base of the hemisphere, so obviously the diameter of this will be equals to the side of this face, or you can say the side of this cube. So this diameter will be equals to this side, and the side is equals to 7 cm, same as will be the diameter. So the diameter will be equals to the edge of this cube, and the diameter will be equals to the edge is given to you as 7 cm. So the greatest diameter should be equals to 7 centimeters. Now you have to find the surface area of this solid. For that you need to find the area of that surface which is visible to you. Okay, now first of all, talking about this cube, there will be 6 faces and 5 faces will be clearly visible to us. Okay, so the total surface area of this solid will be equals to, because 5 faces are clearly visible, so the area of one face is a square. So because this is a cube and this face of a cube is a square, and the area of this square is a square, which is side square, and because there are 5 faces, so this should be multiplied by 5. But on the 6th face, because on the top of the 6th face a hemisphere is placed, so obviously this area will be visible to us. Only this area, this area, this area, this area and this area will be visible to us, not this one, because on this the hemisphere is placed. Now how to find this remaining? So for that what we have to do is we have to subtract the area of this circle from this 6th face. So plus from the 6th face I have to subtract the area of this circle. Okay, plus at the last on the top of this sixth surface, hemisphere is placed, so the curved surface of this hemisphere will also be visible to us. Can you imagine this? Okay. So I have to add the curved surface area of the hemisphere, which is 2 pi r square. So this is the complete surface area of this solid. Now this is 5a square, this is a square, this will be 6a square. This is pi r square, this is 2 pi r square. So plus minus will be minus, and this will be pi r square. Because 2 pi minus pi will be pi, and the sign will be of greater value. Because the sign will be of positive, because greater value has positive sign. Now further solving this, 6 multiplied by a, which is the edge of this cube, which is given to you as 7 centimeter. So this will be 7 square, plus the value of pi will be 22 upon 7, and the radius will be half of the diameter, and the diameter is 7, so the radius will be half of the diameter, so that will be 7 by 2. So this will be 7 by 2 whole square. Now further solving this, this will be 6 multiplied by 7 square is 7 multiplied by 7, which is 49, plus this will be 22 upon 7 multiplied by, this will be 7 multiplied by 7, and 2 square is 2 multiplied by 2. Now this can be cancelled with this 7, 2 can be cancelled 11 times. Now further solving this, 49 into 6 is 6 nines are 54, carry 5, so this will be 294, plus this will be 7 multiplied by 11 will be 77 upon 2. Now if you have to solve, either I can take the LCM, then I can solve it, either I can cancel this out. This will be 3, this will be 38.5. Now I can add these two numbers, which is 294 plus 38.5. So this will be 0.5. So this will be 332.5 centimeter square, because this is the area, so the SI unit will be in square. So this is how you can solve these questions. As I have already discussed, to solve these kind of question, first of all you need to imagine the picture, you need to make a 3D figure in your mind, and that will make your calculation easy. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem in maths, you can directly contact to us. The phone number, the email address, and the WhatsApp number is given below in the description. Thank you.